Zimbabwe vs Sri Lanka head-to-head records in one-day international matches. Total matches 64. First match was played on February 23, 1992. Zimbabwe won 12 matches. Sri Lanka won 49 matches. Zimbabwe lost 49 matches. Sri Lanka lost 12 matches. 0 matches tied and 3 abandoned. Hundreds comparison. Zimbabwe has 10 all-time 100 in which most 100 scored by Andy Flower, while Sri Lanka has 17 all-time 100 in which most 100 scored by Niroshan Dickwella. 50s comparison. Zimbabwe has 44 all-time 50s in which most 50s scored by Andy Flower, while Sri Lanka has 73 all-time 50s in which most 50s scored by Mervin Athapattu. Runs comparison. Most runs for Zimbabwe has been scored by Andy Flower. He has scored 919 runs, while most runs for Sri Lanka has been scored by Mervin Athapattu. He has scored 906 runs. Highest individual score comparison. Highest score for Zimbabwe has been scored by Alistair Campbell. He has scored 131 runs, while most runs for Sri Lanka has been scored by Tilakaratne Dilshan. He has scored 144 runs. Wickets comparison. Most wicket for Zimbabwe has been taken by Heath Streak. He has taken 28 wickets, while most wicket for Sri Lanka has been taken by Mutia Muralidharan. He has taken 59 wickets. Ducks comparison. Zimbabwe has scored 75 all-time ducks in which most ducks scored by Blessing Musrabani, while Sri Lanka has scored 35 all-time ducks in which most ducks scored by Romesh Kaluwithrana. Best bowling in inning comparison. Best bowling figures for Zimbabwe has been achieved by Richard Ngarawa, taken 5 wickets conceding 32 runs, while for Sri Lanka it has been achieved by Chaminda Was, taken 8 wickets conceding 19 runs. If you had liked our content, then please like, share and subscribe.